The Ghost of One-Eyed George at Scarlett O'Hara's in St. Augustine. One-Eyed George was an old, weary war veteran. He lost an eye fighting in the Seminole War, and eventually, after he retired from the military, he moved down to St. Augustine for a better life. He married a young woman and built a happy life, some land, and his one eye. However, his wife got a little antsy. She found a younger soldier and moved out on him. They became the talk of the town, and George became disgruntled. George never really got over the first wife, and the new wife, she was trying to make a good life for the two of them. However, one day, George was found drowned in his bathtub. Was it the first wife and her lover? Was it the new wife? Or was it someone else? No one really knew. However, at Scarlett O'Hara's in St. Augustine, every now and then customers will realize the bar stool has been pulled out on its own. Someone, cursing too much, gets a tap on the shoulder, and they turn around, nobody's there. Maybe somebody's been a little obnoxious or has drank too much. Suddenly, they're pushed down the stairs. George's former home is a bar called Scarlett O'Hara's. Upstairs is where all the spooky shit happens. Tonight we raise a glass to One-Eyed George and a drink we call the Widowmaker. First, start off with a glass full of ice, 2 ounces bourbon, half an ounce of agave syrup, and 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And if your glass isn't full, add more bourbon. Squeeze a little orange, give it a stir. And if you're in Scarlett O'Hara's and you've had a couple too many, feel a tap on your shoulder, maybe a cold chill down your spine, don't turn around too fast. Maybe just shut the fuck up, because George just wants a little bit of peace. To One-Eyed George.